Hello there, and welcome back to InkLingo. I'm Alex. So glad you're here. Today's story is called Their King's Old Map, and it's a sweet, simple tale in Spanish, perfect for beginners. In the InkLingo app, you can tap any word to translate it instantly, save new vocabulary, and track your progress. Before we dive in, let's warm up with a few keywords. Rey means king, mapa means map, tesoro means treasure, and manzana means apple. Our story follows a king who finds an old map and sets out to discover the hidden treasure it points to. Let's listen now and see what the king finds in the garden.
Hay un rey. El rey tiene un mapa. El mapa es viejo. En el mapa hay un tesoro. El tesoro es un secreto. El rey mira el mapa. El rey busca el tesoro. El tesoro está en el jardín. El rey va al jardín. ¿Qué es el tesoro? El tesoro es una manzana. Es una manzana grande y roja. El rey está feliz.
And there it is! The king's treasure turned out to be something simple and sweet, a big red apple, and it made him very happy. If you want to read more stories with tap to translate, word saving, karaoke highlighting, progression tracking, and many more features, check out the InkLingo app. You can also read hundreds of stories for free on the website at inklingo.app.